Ian De Leon, nilinaw ang ilang isyu sa kanilang magkakapatid na sina Lotlot, Matet, Kenneth at Kiko. Sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, inamin niyang nagtatag siya ng one-person corporation para pangalagaan ang legacy at assets ng kanilang namayapang ina na si national artist at superstar Nora Honor.
Nung 40th day, we were gathered together sa Bulwagan sa Libingan ng Bayani. And
Meaning you siblings?
Yeah. I think yung time na yun, they weren't ready because it was still a concept, di ba? But I told them that I would pursue this and I'm willing for everyone to be on board. Please.
Klaro ko lamang. So, yung sabi ni Matet na hindi sila or siya nasabihan ay hindi totoo?
No.
Totoo rin daw na may misunderstanding silang magkakapatid na normalan niya sa isang pamilya, lalo na sa usapan tungkol sa mana.
Just to make things clear, Tito Boy, the mana issue, okay, I just want to set the record straight right here. Things take time. Like, it's not like your mother passes today, the next week, may mana na. Everything has to be dealt legally.
But nasa puso mo ba, Ian, na kung ano man ang meron, you will be fair to your siblings?
Of course, definitely.
Nelson Canlas, GMA News.